So I don't know if you know what the scariest line is. It's when someone comes up to you in a room full of people and says, "I'm gonna make you speak in a minute, collect your thoughts." A few years back, before you guys were here, me and Miss Greer ran a homecoming pep rally, and there was a few minutes of dead air to fill. So our assistant principal thought it was a great idea to hand the mic to the quarterback to help rally people up. But of course, he had no idea this was coming, and he accidentally may have dropped an inappropriate word across the entire football stadium of people. He got in huge trouble. I totally get that now. I am part of the best team, whether it's Success Academy, the Careers and Science departments, the engineering department, the robotics team, and even just being part of this community. It is the greatest honor to be part of what you all represent. This award is more about you all. You represent the best of Rhode Island, and it's a privilege to stand up here and represent you, but you truly are the best. It's not me. So thank you to the foundation, but more importantly, thank you to all of you.